Siri Radha guys, my name is Anup Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's train video. So this video is about going to be the routine of 29th June 2024 of the day 206. And basically, in this video, first from the last too many videos, I didn't tell you that why I shoot my videos and why I upload my videos on YouTube. Wait guys. So guys, basically everybody's minds, a question arises that why I shoot my videos, and everybody knows that I'm just trying to improve my English speaking skills. Till yet, I think that everybody can imagine, can estimate that I just only wanted to improve my English speaking skills. But why I upload my videos on YouTube? So in this video, from the last 1 minute, from the remaining 1 minute, from okay, this video will run over 2 minutes of the introduction. I'll tell you why I do this. So the thing is simple. Okay, I shoot my videos. The peak level. I don't know. I think peak level is the topmost level. The main thing is that to just improve my English speaking skills, to improve my vocabulary, and to improve my communication skills. Okay, and the second thing, why I upload my videos on YouTube. Okay, so basically, if I upload my videos on photos or gallery, my phone's storage get totally full, and it is a very lengthy process to make account. Okay, so that's why I upload my videos on YouTube to just save my phone storage. If my phone storage is full, then my phone starts hanging. And the main reason is also that I upload my videos so that it can be very memorable for me for a long period of time. So this is the thing only. Okay, I have completed till 2 minutes. So, but at last I just only wanted to told you that guys, if someone tell me in one line, why do you do this? The thing is simple. To just improve English speaking skill. That is it. That's it. Okay. So let's start today's video. So basically today I woke up at around very late, I think so. Basically I don't do this too much thing. Okay, so basically I just brought my cloth. Okay, maybe I don't know exactly about it when I woke up, and maybe I brought my cloth, and after that I went to the ground floor. Maybe I went to the bathroom, but after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I wore it. So basically this is a thing which was happened today, and I hope you really understand. Maybe after that I ate food. Okay, so basically after that I didn't done too much thing. Okay, I didn't done too much thing, and yeah, I think that it is enough. Okay, and from the after that I didn't do too much thing. I just went to the first floor to ground floor to first floor, and I didn't do any kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the thing which was happened today. Okay, so at the time of evening, okay, I ate parathe. I don't know what we call parathe in English. Okay, and but I'll really answer very soon. And with mango, with um, bitter gourd sabji, or we can say curry, maybe, but I don't know exactly about that. So basically this is the thing which was happened today, and that is it. So after that I spent my time with my family. After that I went to the first floor, and after that I was too much tensed about what to choose as a career option. Okay, so my mother today I also sleep to the first floor. Okay, and I am also asleep to the first floor, and my sister also asleep in the first floor. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please tell me that am I done any kind of mistake if you found. Okay, so basically that is it. And after that from the late night I went for the sleep, but I didn't get sleep because I am feeling very anxiety. But at the end I feel sleepy, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand Elliot. If you really understand Elliot, then kind of please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So yeah guys, this is enough for today. So let's start today's vocabulary. Okay, so our first word is whoever, जो कोई भी. Whoever wanted to join, then join it. It is compulsory. And no, it is not compulsory. We can say whoever wanted to join this, then join it. It is optional. Okay. Miser. Miser means guys conjure. He is a very miser nature person. That's why I don't like this. I literally don't like him. So I think miser is a something confusion word, and maybe I forget this, but I know that I will revise daily basis. So let's make this some story so that I can remember. Am I okay? Miser. The first word is mi. So mi phones. Most of the phones is in very affordable and very good. So basically the person who is conjure trying to purchase that phone, but I'm not talking about the every person, but my poor people also purchase, rich people also purchase. I'm not discriminating. Okay, so miser means conjure. Now peel means guys chilna. Okay, can you please peel these potatoes for me so that I can cook sabzi? Please, it's my humble request to you. If you don't want to peel this potato, then you tell me, and I will not trouble you, situate you in the trouble situation. Okay guys, so yeah, basically it is. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And our fourth word is strain. Strain means guys channa. Can you please strain this chai for me? Okay, can you please strain this chai for me? That is it. Grind means guys pisna. Can you please grind these spices for me? It's really if you don't do it, then I'm unable to cook this sabzi. It's my humble request to you. Please do this. Please. Okay, guys. So yeah guys, I think it is enough for today. So let's start today's vocabulary from bottom to the top. Okay, so पीसना, ग्रेन, छानना, स्ट्रेन, छीलना, कील, कंजूस, माइजर, जो कोई भी, whoever, जो कुछ भी, whichever, yes it is whichever, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कांपना, ट्रैम्बल, जुगलपुर, स्पिनिच, स्नीचर, yes it is स्नीचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, yes it is relative, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बाथरूम, गैरुलस, yes it is गैरुलस, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, whom, किसका, whose. Wait guys, yeah, so अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, सॉडी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, जुआड़ी, गैम्बलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पेट, कीचड़, मड, बौना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, इज, आई ऑलवेज फॉरगेट सुखदायक, what we call सुखदायक means what, from where we get happy, सुखदायक, I always forget. Let me remember this. सुखदायक. It is soothing, guys. I always forget this. It is soothing. It is it is soothing for me that you've done this. I'm feeling very good that you have done this. It is soothing for me. It is just a guy's example. Okay. सत्यानाश, डैमिट प्रतीत होना, सीम अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच वरदान, बून, श्राप, कर्ज, खुजली, ईचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओथ, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, पिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन। आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, एफर्ट, धरती, अर्थ, धड़कन, हार्टबीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिजायर, घाव, वाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, कन्फ्यूजन और डिलेमा, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, कंडीशन, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, ए लिटल बीट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, रेमेडी और वी कैन से सॉल्यूशन, बीमार, सेक, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, एंसाइन, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, उपयुक्त, प्रॉपर, एप्रोप्रिएट, मूली, रेडिश, पालक, स्पिनच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल्स, यस इट इज यूटेंसिल्स, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब्स, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब, कमर, वेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच, ग्लास, पैदल, ऑन फुट, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय, इंस्टेड, मुश्किल से, बैडली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आज रात, टुनाइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, कर्टेन के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, बिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, फीड, भौंकना, बार्क, रोना, प्राय, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, प्रोटेस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिले, डांटना, स्कोर, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, लगाव, अफेक्शन, इसबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुमारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, यस इट इज ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास, नेर, खटखटाना, नोक बनाना, क्रिएट, यस इट इज क्रिएट, पीछे, बिहाइंड, सचमुच, लिटरली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, निश्चित रूप से, एप्रोप्रिएट, एपरेंटली, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, धीरज, पेशेंस, लिफाफा, एनवलप, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य, एस्टोनिश, and we also can say that wonder, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, सांस, सांस इज सांस, ब्रेथ, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, ईगर, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज। So let's start today's one accounting topic. Okay, so which accounting topic should I choose today? Let me see first in the book. Basically I use this book for the knowing the accounting topic. Okay, so basically guys, I think I am not doing the good work, okay, by telling this. First I think that I should open my notes, and from there I have to start it. Okay, from the last too many days I was not doing enough that I have to do. Okay, so from the I'll not do this. Okay, I'll really do very soon, that which I have told you actually. Okay, so I think it is enough for today, so let's end the video guys. Okay, Siri Radhe, and something happened. Okay, I'm unable to end the video. Okay, so should I spoke anything? So let's complete 15 minutes today. Okay, so first I have to tell you that, like, I am learning 5 words daily. Okay, so it's totally increased my vocabulary continuously. And I saw in the YouTube that one of the teacher told that if you wanted to get command and you wanted to be fluent in English, so you just only need to learn 1500 minimum, 15 minimum or maximum, maybe he told you just only need to learn 1500 vocabulary. Okay, so I am daily by daily learning 5 vocabulary, but I will start sometimes from now I will sometimes learn 10 vocabulary and sometimes 5 vocabulary. Okay, so I think that it is a very small line. Okay, and I revise it daily, so there is no chance to forget it. Okay, but sometimes in one of the word I forget, like in today's word, that is Sukdayak, that is soothing. I forget it. Okay, and some of the also word there is the meaning is different. Like Asharya, we also say astonished, we also say wonder. So I basically face this kind of problem. Okay, but I will really improving myself. So guys, I think it is enough for today. Let's end the video, guys. Sri Radhe, bye bye. Okay, Sri Radhe, bye bye.